Welcome to New York City, the place where dreams are made and the energy never fades. Get ready for a deep dive into the city that never sleeps. New York City, a global hub of finance, culture, and opportunity. It's more than just skyscrapers. It's a feeling, a constant state of motion. That famous nickname, the city that never sleeps, truly captures the essence of NYC. Here, businesses, entertainment, and life itself pulse 24/7. The city's sheer energy is infectious, fueled by the incredible diversity of its people, cultures, and ambitions. Every corner holds a new experience. Now let's explore some of the unforgettable landmarks that define the New York experience. No place screams NYC quite like Times Square at night. The blinding billboards and swirling crowds create a dazzling, electric atmosphere. The Statue of Liberty stands as a powerful symbol of freedom and hope, welcoming millions and representing the historical significance of this gateway city. Escape the concrete jungle in Central Park, a sprawling green oasis where you can find tranquility right in the heart of Manhattan. Beyond the sights, NYC is a global epicenter for culture and entertainment, offering endless opportunities to be inspired. Experience the magic of Broadway. The theater district lights up every night, showcasing world-class performances that captivate audiences. From the Met to MoMA, NYC is home to world-class museums that house masterpieces spanning centuries and continents. A feast for the mind. Whether you crave street food, ethnic cuisine, or five-star dining, NYC's culinary scene is a diverse melting pot, ready to satisfy any palate. The rhythm of New York City is driven by its urban life and efficient transit systems that keep the city in constant motion. Iconic yellow cabs zip through the grid of bustling streets, a familiar and essential part of the city's dynamic landscape. The subway system is truly the lifeline of New York, moving millions every day and connecting every corner of this massive metropolis. It's the constant movement, the flow of people, traffic, and ideas that truly embodies the spirit of the city that never sleeps. New York City offers an experience unlike any other, a relentless pursuit of life and opportunity. From the bright lights of Times Square to the history of the Statue of Liberty, NYC's appeal lies in its grand scale and intimate moments. Ready to dive into the non-stop energy? Come experience the city that never sleeps for yourself.